Many of you are confused when you try to answer petty cash book in your exam. But trust me, it is very simple. It is quite simple if you understand. So today here I'll show you how easily you can prepare a petty cash book in your exam or test. So no time to waste, let's get started. So here today I have a question. I've taken this question from Cambridge IGCSE accounting first paper. Okay, so I'll show you this question. I'll show you how to answer in your exam paper. Okay, so let us have a look at the question on the screen. Nazmin started in business as a hairdresser on 1st January 2022. She purchases her hairdressing supplies on credit and uses the Imprest system for her petty cash. Okay, Nazmin makes all payment of less than $100 by petty cash. The Imprest amount, which is $200, is restored on the first day of each month from the bank account. Nazmin provided the following information for January 2022. Okay, so here she has a Imprest amount. It is $200. She restores this amount every month. Okay, so here the balance of petty cash book we need to write first of all. Okay, so here we see the interest amount is $200. That means the balance of petty cash book is here $200. Okay, so let us write here first of all balance. Okay, so before we write here, let us have a look at the format here. So we have here total receipt column. Here we have date column, details column. Here we will write all the transactions. Total paid, the amount which is paid for any types of expenses will be recorded here. The expenses we have classified here in this side. I'll show you these things later. Okay, so here first of all we have to write the balance. Okay, balance BD. So date for balance BD is the first day of the accounting period. Okay? The first day of the month. Okay, so she started her business on 1st January 2022. Okay, so let us write here date January 1st. We will write here balance brought down. Okay, balance BD. BD stands for brought down. Okay, so here she started her petty cash book with $200. Okay, this is an Imprest amount. Imprest amount means every month she takes $200 from the bank account, then she spends her expenses from this $200. Okay, so here we will not write this amount on this total paid column this side. No, she received this amount from the bank. Okay, that is the reason we will write here on the total receipt column here. Okay, so let us write $200. Okay, great. Now we need to record all the transactions one by one. Where to record? We will record here on the details column. Okay, so what was the first transaction? January 3 paid for petrol. Okay, so let us write here January 3 paid for petrol. Okay, the total amount is $35. We write here on the total paid column. Okay, because these are expenses. Okay, so she paid these expenses. That's the reason we write here total paid column. Okay, so next transaction is January 8. So what is this? She paid for magazine, right? It is $14, right? Okay, next transaction is, so let us write here January 17 paid to GL Limited. It is $60. So let us write here January 26. We can write here just cleaning $9. Okay, next transaction is here January 29. So here paid to Alim. Okay, it is a trade payable. So what is the amount here? It is $38. Okay, So these are the transactions we have on the question. Now we need to classify these transactions. Okay, so here we have some bigger expenses, we have some general expenses, we have some transactions related to ledger account. Okay, these are not actually expenses. So let us classify. So first one is here paid for petrol. Okay, this is a motor vehicle related expenses. That's why we put a column here, motor expenses. Okay, so we will take this amount $35 from total paid column to motor expenses column. Okay, so let us write here $35. Next one is here paid for magazine. Okay, so it is a general expenses, all sundry expenses, whatever you call. So we'll take this amount from total paid column and we will write here sundry expense column. It is $14. Great. Next one is here paid to GL Limited. This is not an expense. Okay, so it is a supplier. So business paid this money to this supplier. Okay, it is $60. So we will write this amount to the ledger account column. So guys, don't forget all the suppliers related transactions will come to the ledger account column on the petty cash book. Okay, don't forget. Then we have here cleaning expenses. Okay, cleaning means general expenses or sundry expenses, miscellaneous, whatever you call. So let us write here on this column sundry expenses. It is $9. Okay, last transaction paid to Alim, a trade payables. Okay, so trade payables, it is a liability for the business, so it is not an expenses. So we have to write this amount on the ledger account column. So let us write here $38. Okay, so this is how you need to classify all the expenses, all the transactions given on the question for this petty cash book. Okay, then what is next? Then you have to balance it. Okay, you have to check your balancing figure. What is the last amount? What is the closing balance? Okay, at the end of the month. So here we will sum up all the columns from total paid to general ledger account. Okay, so let us calculate. So here the ledger account column. So here we have 60 plus 38 equal to $98. Okay, here you have 14 plus 9 equal to $23. Okay, then we have here only one amount, which is $35. Okay, so let us write here 35. Then we have here 35 plus 14 plus 60 plus 9 plus 38 equal to $156. So let us write here 156. Well, we calculated all these columns. Okay, now what to do? Okay, now we need to balance it. Okay, we need to check the closing balance. So let us come here. We have here total receipt. It is $200. So let us write this amount here. If we add, we have nothing. Okay, we have no more amounts here, so we have here only $200. This is our addition, $200. We'll take this amount to the opposite side on the total paid column. Okay, it is here $200. Okay, now what to do? Now we need to subtract this $156 from $200. So what we get? We get here $44, right? So here let us write 44. Once again 200 minus 156 equal to $44. So this is the closing balance for the month of January 2022. Okay, so we need to write here balance CD, means balance carried down. Okay, so let us write balance CD. Once again, CD stands for carried down. Okay, so what is the date for balance CD? The balance for the balance CD, the date will be the last day of the month. So here 1st January, last day is 31st. So let us write here January 31st. Don't forget the balance CD will be the above the total. Okay, and then balance BD will be below the total. Okay, so this is our balance CD. Now we need to balance bring down. Okay, how? So balance bring down will be written for the next month. Okay, first day of next month. So here it is January, the next month is February. Yeah, so let us write here 2022, it is February 1st. We will write here balance brought down BD. Okay, how much? It is $44. Where to write, here or here? Well, if we say it is here, you are correct. So balance brought down will be written on the total received column, not total paid column. Okay, sometimes we see many students write balance BD, means closing balance, here on the total paid column. It is completely incorrect. Okay, never do it. So it is the Imprest system of petty cash book. That means Nazmin, the owners of the business, will restore this amount from the bank account. Which amount? The amount which she paid, which she already spent. Okay, it is $156. Okay, so let us write here. How does she restore this amount? She restores from the bank. So we will write here bank. So it will be here $156. So now you see 156 plus 44 equal to $200. That means every month she has impressed amount of $200. Okay, beginning of the month she has to have $200. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare this petty cash book. Okay, point to be noted. So here if we write this amount $900 on the motor expenses column, it is also okay, no problem. Okay guys, so this is how you need to prepare petty cash book in your exam or test. It is quite simple if you understand. I have some other videos on petty cash book on my channel. You can check out, you can see how to prepare. Okay, so this is all about today's lesson. I'll see you soon with a new video. Until then, bye bye and take care.